Namashivaya, respected principal, teachers, and my dear fellow mates. A very warm good morning to one and all. We, the students of Plus One Commerce, are hereby pleased to perform a small talk on small scale industries. Small scale industries are those industries in which manufacturing, providing services, productions are done on small scale or micro scale. There are many small scale industries. Some of them are making of spices, soaps and oils, camphor and incense sticks, chips and biscuits, papads and fritters, simple medical requirements, cottage cheese.
Cashew industry. Cashew is an important commercial horticulture crop in India. The cashew industry of Kerala is mainly concentrated in Kollam district. The annual raw cashew nut requirement of the state is about 8 lakh tons, whereas state's domestic production is 84,000 tons only. The state therefore meets the major portion of its raw cashew nuts requirement through imports.
Handloom industry. Among traditional industries of Kerala, handloom sector stands second only to the coal sector in providing employment. Kerala's textile industry comprises traditional handloom sector, power loom and the spinning sector. The handloom industry in the state is mainly concentrated in Thiruvananthapuram and Kannur district. The industry is dominated by the cooperative sector covering 96% of total looms. The remaining 4% of land loom units are owned by industrial entrepreneurs.
Bamboo industry. Bamboo is a highly productive, renewable and eco-friendly resource and has several applications. It is widely used in environment protection as a nutrient food, high-value construction material and at about 1500 other applications. It is estimated that about 2.5 billion people use bamboo in one form or the other at the global level. Advanced research activities are conducted to utilize bamboo for efficient fuel generating system.
Handicraft industry. Handicraft industry is one of the traditional industry of Kerala. Kerala has the tradition of making beautiful handicrafts with bamboo, palm leaves, seashell, wood, coconut shell, clay, cloth, metal, stones and so on. Many old handicraft classics can be seen in the palaces, old heritage homes and museum in the street. A vast majority of the traditional artisans belong to socially and economically backward classes.
Om Namah Shivaya. National Small Industry Day is commemorated on the 30th of August every year as a part of its efforts to support and promote small industries. As per the official estimates, there are about 63.05 million micro industries, 0.33 million small industries, and about 5,000 medium enterprises in the country. It is a sad fact that 20% of all the small businesses fail in their first year. Also, poor cash flow is responsible for as much as 82% of the failures in small industries. Some of the best profitable small-scale industries in India are cake baking business, pickles, handmade chocolates, jute bags, organic soaps, etc. Here are some of the objectives of small-scale industries: to create more employment opportunities, to help develop the rural and less developed regions of the economy, to reduce regional imbalances, to ensure equal distribution of income and wealth, to solve the unemployment problem, to attain self-reliance, and to adopt the latest technology aimed at producing better quality products at lower costs. Even though small industries provide services or productions are done on a small scale or micro scale, these industries are important for the growth of Indian economy. Thank you.